Hello and welcome to my video review of the Kristella 3 light chrome semi-finished mount light with clear crystal shades by Home Decorators Collection. Now this is a light that is basically a Home Depot store brand, and I selected this as part of a review through the Home Depot Seeds program, so I did receive this as a free product. And I actually intended to mount this in my living room on the ceiling, but as we can see, I have old wiring there. It's actually paper wrapped insulated wiring, and there's actually no electrical box up there, so I have to wait for an electrician to come by and set one up. But in the meantime, what I've done is I've assembled the light. It was very easy. You just follow these paper instructions here and it'll walk you through how to do that. It is a little bit tiny on the print, and I'll go ahead and show you this. This is basically a real close view of the diagram showing the order of the parts. This is more what it's going to look like when you're trying to read it. So a little bit tiny, but you can put the booklet up close to your face and follow along. So I'm actually pretty impressed. I already tested the light. I've got it hooked up just with some temporary wires run to my surge protector there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show what it looks like when it's lit up. Now these are special LED bulbs, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show what they are. So these were just purchased off of Amazon. It was a 3-pack, 30,000 hour. These are the 5 Kelvin variety. They're 12 watt E12 LED bulbs. You can use, I think it's B or E sized filament bulbs to fit this fixture. So without further ado, I'm going to turn on this light. And as you could tell, it was very bright, especially initially. And you can see it's actually it's illuminating the room even more so than the other LED bulbs, which are actually 5 Kelvin as well. They're all daylight bulbs. Yeah, I mean, very bright. I'm definitely pleased. We can go ahead and look at the ceiling, and what I will do is I will actually turn off my other lights in this room to demonstrate its full lighting. So very bright. Definitely lights up the room nicely, and we can even lift this up a little bit. So unfortunately those wires were not very long that I was using, so I pulled one out. But yeah, you should be very pleased, and thank you for watching my review. Bye.